Good morning. It's like 6 a.m. Beautiful, crispy morning. It's one of those mornings where I say that Mother Nature is on crack. Squaw! Yeah, I'm an angry bird. Squaw! I wish you would get it right. We're in June already. There's no reason why I'm wearing this hat in June. I would be suffering of heat exhaustion usually. But Bobby Brown has his claws in Mother Nature, and she's bringing this weather on crack. She said nice and loud for everybody in the neighborhood to hear me. Mother Nature's on crack, people. Crack. She needs to stop hitting the pipe because it's cold. Another good morning. It's Monday. People already hear me coming. See her way down there. See her? You see her? She's walking away from us. Don't worry. We're going to get her. Ain't we, boo-boo? We're going to get her and her little doggy. Because I'm an angry bird. Squaw! I said squaw! Damn it! Big shout outs. I want to give a shout out to Julie's mom, to Go-Go. You know, it's early in the morning. On that note, peace out. You calm down. You calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Tough guy. He's a Cubs fan. That's why I didn't really say nothing. You Cubs fans. Oh my God. Peace out.